Okay, so the first part of litigation is filing a complaint. We're complaining to the courts that this person did something wrong to you. So we put this in paper, we put all the complaints that we're doing against that person. In Florida, in civil procedure, or anywhere in the United States, we have to serve that paper to those people, to the other side. That way they know they're getting sued. You can't sue somebody if they don't know they're getting sued. Once a process server, somebody that physically goes and takes it, drops it off and runs away, or whatever the case is, once they give it to that person, now the clock starts ticking. In Florida, once they receive that paper, they give that paper to their insurance company, and there's 20 days that they need to respond back to our complaint. So we're complaining and they're responding. They got 20 days to do so. If in the complaint we file discovery request, and discovery request, I'll go deeper in another video. I'll break down each individual discovery request. But discovery request is us asking the other side for information. It could be questions if they were speeding, questions if they broke a law, questions about if they had criminal records, if they're using a cell phone. There's a lot of different questions that we ask in the discovery proceedings. If we file the discovery with the complaint, remember, they've never seen it before. They're getting it for the first time. If they get it for the first time, they got 20 days to respond to the complaint, but they got 45 days to answer all those questions. We're asking a lot of questions. So they need time to put things together to answer back. So that is the initial pleadings. If we do not attach the discovery, like the questions that we're asking, to that complaint, and we do it separately, now that person has 30 days to respond back to our request. In the next video, I'm going to walk you through what discovery actually is and talk to you about the different elements of discovery.